Hey everyone, it's Cal. So if everybody's using the same generic AIs, does anybody really have an advantage? Probably not. But that's why Reword from day one has been all about training your AI. But what does that actually mean? So what we do is we use the published articles that you give to us and we analyze them and we give them to the AI. And we let the AI figure out what kind of style you write in, how you structure your articles, and we give it the awareness to be able to then mention and link to those articles when you're writing and using AI features. Now, this is truly how you can create your own assistant that is aligned with your readers and aligned with your topics. But let me show you how you can actually train it by giving it published articles. Okay, so we're logged into the Reword dashboard. Now, in our draft section, you'll see we've got a bunch of drafts that we're working on right now. And this is actually used for training, so do not worry if you don't have any published articles yet. You'll notice that Reword begins to learn as you write more drafts. It will figure out how you like to write, and it will begin to adapt to it. But there's no ignoring the fact that if you do have published articles, it can help you skip over this step and begin training straight away. Now, my recommendation is to connect to Google Search Console. Reason being that this lets us actually familiarize with all of your articles very quickly. And it only takes you a few seconds to actually set up. So to do that, head to training in the navigation, and you can also find this page in your settings, and simply connect to Google Search Console using this button. Now, full transparency, this is read-only integration. We can't do anything with your Search Console. It's completely secure, and it uses Google's recommended OAuth system to connect to your data. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see a summary of the data that AI is training itself on. So as you'd expect, the articles, the words in those articles, but also some more nuanced metrics like impressions, clicks, intents, and AI generations too. So let me explain those. Now, impressions and clicks, pretty self-explanatory. It's the actual traffic that your articles are getting. But the AI will actually use that to bias towards the performing articles. So you can expect it to write in the style of your best performing articles, essentially, which is kind of what you want. Now, also the intents. This is quite a cool one. So every article we pull in will load in the search intents that you're getting on organic traffic. And we use this to feed it into the topic model to give it more context about people coming to your article. What are they looking for? What do they want? And what are they expecting? And that helps the AI give you better research. And it also helps the AI write about stuff that's more relevant. It's pretty incredible in terms of the value it provides over generic AI tools that you've probably used already. Now, in addition to that, the final thing is AI generation. So as you're actually using the AI, and if you're deleting something you don't like, or you're keeping something that you do like, it will actually learn that, it will recognize it, and it will use that to fine-tune itself as well. So these are all pretty powerful dimensions of training that over time mean that your AI gets smarter and smarter. So it really is going to give you an advantage over competitors when you have your own tool that's this aware and this aligned with your audience. Anyway, I went on a bit of a tangent there, but let me hop back to the articles now. If you don't want to give us Google Search Console integration, head over here. You can see I've got 136 different articles added. Click on Add Published Articles in the top right and just chuck in the links. It may take a few minutes for them to all load in, as we'll actually head over to the article and scan it using another one of our AI engines, and then we'll pull in the content for you. But this is a quick way that you can train it. For me, I think you kind of want at least 10 articles to begin giving it that context and seeing the benefits of it. But this is a really easy way to do that. So there's a few different ways that you can begin training your AI and getting more out of Reword.